Hey, welcome to the AWS S3 Complete series, and today we are starting from absolute zero. By the end of this video, you will fully understand Amazon S3, what it is, how it works, how to secure it, how to save money with it, and how to build real project with it. But first, let me ask you one question. Where do your apps file actually go? When a user upload a photo, where does it land? When you store a PDF, a video, a database backup, where does that data live? If you don't have a clear answer to that, this video is for you. And the answer is Amazon S3. Okay, before S3 existed or before developers knew about it, the default approach was to store file directly on your own server. Sound fine, right? Let me show you what actually happened. With S3, the architecture look completely different. Your user still upload a file same as before. Your app server receive the request, but instead of saving the file to its own disk, it sends the file straight to Amazon S3. S3 stores it. S3 manage it and S3 keep it safe. Your server doesn't hold any file at all. Now think about what that means. If your server crashes, no files are lost because files are not on it. If you need to scale to a million user, S3 handle it automatically. You don't change a single line of code. If you need access that file from any region like Singapore, New York, Mumbai, the URL will be same file, and you can instantly fetch that file. No server need for storage. Scale automatically. Files never lost. Access from anywhere in the world. This is why every serious app from startup to engine to Netflix use S3 as the foundation of the storage. Alright, now let's understand the core building block of S3. Everything in S3 lives inside something called a bucket. Think of a bucket like a top level container. Inside the bucket, you can store any kind of file, photos, PDF, video, JSON data, database backup, anything. Each file inside is called an object, and each object has a unique name called a key, which look like a file path. Let's suppose I have a folder for file and it has the image user.jpg. But here's something important to understand. S3 doesn't actually have a real folder. The slash is the name, it's just part of the key. Underneath, it's all flat storage. Now, fourth thing you need to know about bucket. The name must be globally unique. No two bucket anywhere in AWS can have the same name. Two, it lives in a specific region. You pick in Mumbai, Singapore, or Virginia, the data stay there. 3. It is private by default. Nothing inside is public unless you explicitly allow it. And 4. It hold any type of file, any size, unlimited quantity. That's a bucket, simple, powerful, and foundation of everything in S3. Before you move to the live demo, let me give you the number. These are the S3 stats you will see in every AWS certification exam, every job interview, and every architecture decision. First, durability 99.11 times 9%. What does that mean? If you store 10 trillion files in S3, you had expect to lose one of them every 10,000 year. Effectively, S3 does not lose any file. Maximum object size 5 terabyte. You can store a single file as large as 5 TB. Anything above 5 GB needs a special multi-part upload. We will cover in upcoming session. Free tier 5 GB per month plus 20,000 get request and 2,000 put request. Enough to build and test everything in the series for free. And the cost about 2 rupees per GB. You had roughly 200 rupees to store 100 GB for a full month. This is extraordinarily cheap for what you get. Write these down, they come up everywhere. Or I will share in my GitHub repo. So let's go in my GitHub repo. So I have also put the complete notes for the entire series right here in the repo, or I will keep updating the repo as well. Everything we cover like storage, classes, security, lifecycle policy, CLI commands, interview question, all of it I will document here. You can use this as a reference while you watch or come back to it later when you need to quick reminder. Link in the description. Go ahead and clone it or star it. Alright, that's it for this video. In the next video, we will go into deeper full theory on how S3 actually work under the hood, bucket, object, key, region, storage, classes. And then we jump straight to the AWS console and do it all hands on. If you found this useful, drop a like. It really does help. Thank you.